What up? What up? Good morning. Good morning. So, updates on these charts from yesterday. So, yesterday I let everybody know that I'm pretty much just kind of chilling into London session of today's into New York. So, I'm going to kind of look at those updates. Only thing that we took yesterday was odd USD. Y'all, I chickened out on odd USD. Literally at entry, it was on this candlestick. It was right here, and I just said, you know what, let me close it. I'm just gonna close it and go to sleep, and I'll wait to start trading tomorrow. I started seeing a couple of other things that I just wasn't liking, so I was like, let me just close it. And literally, what? Wait, I'm on the 1 hour. Literally 2 hours later, melts for 22 pips. Literally, no, well, 20, almost 25 pips. So it is what it is. On this one, I'm still expecting further downside. I'm expecting the target to be achieved at 63,804. Let me give y'all the updates on a lot of these other pairs first, and then we'll kind of go through there. Let's look at the dollar first. Hope you're having a great weekend. Great start of y'all's trading week. Let me see. Okay. So still maintaining the same area that it's at. What I'm keying in on is how this daily candle is going to close. So that's really what matters to me is how is this daily candle going to close? If it does close bearish and engulfing on this one, then the next candle we should at least expect a take of the low, which would be at 103,981. So that would mean at least further continuation down for the next potential daily candle, which would then lead Euro USD, which I took off and I'm trying to find back up further. So let me update y'all on EU. So AU, I'm still expecting to drop, although we could start a slight pullback within this area and then continue down, maybe even to form a head and shoulders. This could be the left shoulder, head, and then potentially a right shoulder and then down. Euro USD, there's two areas on Euro USD that kind of interest me. So the first one is going to be just a general sweep of this level. We could see something like this, and then we could decline here. We have another premium level here at around 108, 650, which we could see a pullback here and then a drop. And so this would be, I personally would love a trade like this because then we're going to be able to only have literally about a 15 pip stop loss comfortably. And then we can sell this down at least 400 plus pips, right? So this is really going to be premium for us. If we do get the pullback above this sweep, then we'll be looking at a stop loss of the high still. So then we'll be looking at pretty much about a 3-to-1 ratio. So that's option one, which will be the best. Option two, and then we have option three, which would be for price action to kind of do its thing where it is right now and then continue down. So I did give y'all an update yesterday on the live stream that we were looking for this to move towards the downside. So today is y'all's new update. Again, as the market continues to move, patterns change, structures change, we kind of change and adjust, right? So yesterday was a scalp, and we're looking for a 24 to 48 hour time frame of the movement. So pretty much most of that first 24 hours is now gone in this price action structure that I'm seeing. I just wanted to give you guys an update on all of the possibilities. Cool. So as always, if y'all are not following us on TradingView, make sure y'all are following us so that y'all don't miss out on any future streams. As well as if you scroll down on your screen right now, you'll see the link to our website where you can join our mentoring or signals program. As well as you'll see the link to our free Telegram chat room community. All of this is on your screen right now if you just scroll down, as well as our email and the broker that I use, our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Cool. All right, so that's EU update. So again, we're looking for this fall, but there's a few areas that it could come. So just continue to be patient. It might be best to just wait for Euro USD to start falling before you actually maybe get in the trade with the stop loss at the previous high. Don't know what that was. One sec, y'all. Can y'all see my screen right now? Are y'all able to see my screen right now? One sec. Can somebody drop in the chat and let me know if y'all can see my screen? Okay, cool. Thank you, bro. So Euro USD. Let's go over UJ. So UJ, I'm looking for a fall. There's two areas that the fall could happen. So we could see the fall potentially within this range, and then the drop. So I would look for a pullback into this area here right before this area here. I would look for the first sell, and you would have potentially about a 45 pip stop loss, and you can easily target this support level. So a nice 5.5 to 1 trade opportunity. So this is really good. So definitely don't want to miss this. If UJ does not drop here at this level, then potentially a deeper push up on UJ, and we might be looking at anywhere in this level. So we have a supply here. So it would be deeper. So the entry that I'm showing y'all right now is pretty much a wick type scenario. So this is kind of, it should be a sniper entry if it is to reverse here, right? If it does go deeper into this supply zone, then we'll more than likely reach somewhere around that, maybe 147.5, which is going to be a small quarter point for us, or we might go a little bit above and then the drop. So, but I am expecting a drop on UJ. So either something here or something a little bit deeper in here and then a drop. But overall, I am going to be looking for a move towards the downside sometime soon on USD/JPY. Cool. So it's EU we went over. We went over UJ. A lot of dollar pairs I'm going over with y'all today. Where are we? Where did the what's today? Okay. So this is pissing me off because what we were looking for was a pullback up to this zone and then a continuation down. And it seems as if market gapped open into the zone and then a straight drop all the way down to the TP. So it looks like we might have just missed this one. It's all good. But in time, like personally, I've seen structure. Usually, when we do something like this, usually we can expect another retest to the same area and another drop. Now, another drop might not go 400%, but just from my experience, I've seen another drop go at least like 70, or I would say 60 to 70% of the retracement move again. So you guys probably could expect another retest into this area and then a movement back down, but it's not going to be probably as much of the move that we've already made. So just be mindful of that. But as of right now, this one is now complete, so I won't be watching this anymore. It is what it is. GBP CAD. So GBP CAD, we were looking for a move towards the downside and then another push up. I'm not sure if this gap is going to be what is considered that final move. We did retrace down again, and then we're now starting to push back up as well. So we're starting to form a support here. So just kind of watch out for that altogether. And we could start to move back up here. Personally, I would wait for an entry in this level if I can, just because it's only going to give me a 20 pip stop loss. If it is to go up, then I would rather that 20 pip to gain 150 pips, right? So it's 61. If it does break this level, we'll probably go deeper, or it could just hold where it is right now and just continue up. So it's what it is. AU, we've already went over the update on that. USD CAD. So let me update y'all on USD CAD. Please key in on this because what I am expecting is another push up. And I want to see this same zone hold, but I'm looking for a deeper push up. So maybe not where the entry just was. So we're going to update. So we're not going to go for that entry. We're going to go for something a little bit deeper up, maybe even a sweep. Let me see if I can pinpoint this down on the lower time frames. Appreciate all of y'all for tuning in on the stream this morning, man. As always, hope y'all have a great trading week. And if y'all are not following us, make sure y'all are following us on TradingView. The link to our free Telegram chat room community is down below in the description of the video. So join up, guys. Join the chat room with the rest of the traders so we can make some money together. Let me see, man. I don't know if y'all hear my dog snoring, but he is over there knocked out. My bad. I do like this level here. Cool. I do like that level. So when it comes to, if not a double top and potentially an equal high, this will be a nice area for a wick and then a drop. So what we're doing right now is we're just going to focus on a deeper retracement up and then the drop. So I want y'all to have a stop loss. So it could happen here or it could happen above the sweep. And y'all can have a stop loss of about, I say 30 pips is okay. That's a comfortable stop loss. And we're looking for the same drop of 100 pips. So 3-1 here on USD CAD. This is probably one of my more favorite setups for this week. Let me see if there's anything else. Oh, gold. Let me show y'all gold real quick. So gold, I am still looking for the same move down on gold. We are respecting the first zone, so I want to see the price action continue to push down, and we should hold resistance here. I am now watching this on the 4-hour, so I did break it down since this was kind of more so of a scalp, a 24 to 48 hour trade. So I did break it down, but I am now watching it on the 4-hour since this candlestick closed nice for us. So within the next hour and a half, what we need in order for this trade to look continuously good for us is for price action to close below this low of 1914. Okay, so that's the first good sign for us. If it does not close below that low, it still maintains below this low of 1915.55, then not this candle, but the next candle, I would expect it to end up rolling over to start dropping and hitting targets. Cool. So when I put these targets on the chart, you don't have to go for the specific target. I kind of want y'all to always treat these as target areas, as it says. So just anywhere in the vicinity of this area, you can look to start taking profits on some of the trades that you're in. So just any trade that y'all see that target area just means that anywhere in that area, you can start to look to doing some profit taking. Cool. So that's all I had for now, man. Just want to drop y'all some updates. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Again, if y'all have any questions or anything, feel free to shoot me an email. Our email is down below in the description, as well as our website. If you guys are interested in education or signals, all of that information is on our website. So appreciate y'all. I will see y'all all on the next stream. As always, happy trading. Peace.